that I have learned in this program would include kind of focusing in on the innovation aspect of things. There's a lot of different courses I've taken that have focused on entrepreneurship and creating new ideas, which is super important, especially today because there's such high concentrations of firms in different areas. So being innovative in any job, I think, is important because it can make processes more efficient. I also think teamwork has been a really big thing I have kind of sharpened while working in this program, because a lot of times in these courses, you have to work in big group projects that take a lot of time, and being able to help manage your team is a really effective way to get things done that reflects and kind of translates into the job I have now, so I'm working with a group of people on an app right now. And some of the things I've learned while at the MOT program are to kind of organize deadlines and understand tasks and make sure to review things a little bit in advance before things are due to make sure that you don't miss anything.